So today's episode is called We Got Starbucks at Home. I'm going to show you guys how I made this little coffee beverage and little snacky snack in the comforts of my own kitchen. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start with my grilled cheese, and I'm using this sliced sourdough bread. For my cheese, I'm going to use this Swiss and Gruyere cheese blend from Trader Joe's. It has excellent cheese pull. Then I'm going to also use this sliced sharp cheddar cheese that's also from Trader Joe's. I used about a slice and a half, and then I just sprinkled a few handfuls of the shredded cheese on top and then put my other slice of bread on top. So the secret to a perfect grilled cheese is mayonnaise. So I'm going to spread a good layer on the outside part of my bread. And then in a hot skillet, I also like to add just a little slice of butter. This part is optional. I'm going to go ahead and start grilling my sandwich with the mayonnaise sliced down. And then while that's toasting, I'm going to go ahead and mayonnaise up my other slice of bread. And then once that side gets nice and toasty, I'm going to flip it and let the other side finish cooking. And I'm cooking this like on a medium to low heat. Now moving on to my beverage, I'm going to take some brown sugar oat milk creamer, and I'm also going to use a little bit of a sweet cream creamer. Then I microwave that for about 30 seconds to a minute. While the creamer is warming up, I'm just going to make me a cup of dark roast coffee in the Keurig. And then once my creamer is nice and warm, I'm just going to use my hand whisk to foam it up. And then once I get it to the right consistency, I'm just going to pour that hot coffee over it. As y'all can see, I'm making a mess. And that was pretty much it. I removed my grilled cheese from the stove top. And as you guys can see, it's like the perfect brown toastiness. I also added a little salted caramel whipped cream on top of my coffee. And yeah, 10 out of 10. This grilled cheese was everything. My coffee was good. And I'm definitely at that age where I feel like everything is starting to taste better at home.